Hey guys, happy Sunday. I hope everyone had a good weekend. I just have, excuse me, one little quick reveal for you. Um, I just got one of these $3 sleigh bells, and when I was scratching it, I was like, wouldn't it be cool if I got the win all? And look at that. We did. We got the win all sleigh, so we got $30, which is good. Because I'm not sure how much I'll be making videos for a little while. Um, Yesterday, my son got bit by a dog in his face. I wasn't there. I was at bingo and he was with his father. Um, and at the moment, we don't have health insurance, so we're going to have a pretty big hospital bill for that. So I don't know if I'm really going to have the extra money to be playing tickets a whole lot. So I just wanted to kind of let you guys know if I do go MIA for a while or you don't really see too much content from me. That's why. Just kind of have to focus on him for a while and getting that huge bill paid. So this helps a little bit. But I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I hope you have a great week and are having great luck. And I love seeing everybody's winners and hope you keep it up, okay? So I'll see you later. Bye.